What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? What's up? Hey, you guys. I miss you so much. Hey, welcome. It's your gardener with Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing today? How are you doing today? If nobody told you they love you today, I love you. Okay? I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you chose to spend a little time with your old Skinny Boy Randy, and I appreciate you. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Also, click the like and subscribe button. Click the like and subscribe. Click the like and then subscribe. How you guys go? Click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, we love you. Thank you so much for being here. Also, leave a comment. Share the video with your social media. Let everybody know. Come on over here. Check out Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, because beginners and experts are really welcome. We love to have you here. Thank you so much for being here. So go over and check out my Facebook group. I always forget the preliminaries, y'all. Go over, check out my Facebook group, my YouTube, and my Twitter. Well, you're already on my YouTube if you're watching this. Check out my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Facebook group. My Facebook group is Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. I promise you, if I can't answer a question over here, you can get the answer over there. I promise you. Thank you so much for being here. So let's just dive right into this video. Today we're going to be talking about how to triple your garden. Yeah, I know it's one day before October the 1st, you guys. Yes, time has been flying. You guys have been with me all year, and I thank you so much. So you're probably like, okay, I got everything planted. There's nothing left to do. Yes, there's always something to do in the garden. So never get comfortable. Never stop checking on your garden, because we can maximize. Because we ain't got no money to be going buy no more plants. We ain't got no money. Okay? I love you guys. So I'm going to talk about how to maximize your mustard greens and get the most for your buck. Okay? So let's just go on over into the Skinny Boy Farms and just get started. Okay, so we're out of the sun. The sun is about to set, you guys. So I have to make this video really quick. So first of all, you want to start off with your mustard seeds. And they're just little tiny black seeds. Not those yellow ones, but the little tiny black ones. Can you see? These little tiny black seeds. Yeah, those are just your mustard seeds. Okay? And these are giant curled southern mustard seeds. Am I capturing this? Okay. So all I did was, on September the 1st, I planted some mustard seeds. And these are all of mustards. Let me get the camera down here. You know, I like to get you down in the ground with me. All of these are mustard greens, you guys. And they were planted on September the 1st. I simply sprinkled a row of mustard seeds to about right here. Now, you think, okay, this is just going to be from here to here is just mustards. No, you guys, we are going to maximize this, because we ain't got no money to be throwing away. If you look closely inside of the bunch, look at all these plants, y'all. Since we sprinkle and what I call overplanting, because look, we have tons of plants in here that we're going to maximize. We're not going to just leave them right here because they're going to drown each other out. So I want each one of my mustards to be healthy and successful, because I love mustard greens, y'all. I love me some mustard greens. So what I'm going to do is show you a simple way to maximize your mustard greens, your harvest. And I'm hoping the camera is in a good angle. Yeah, can you guys see me? Okay, so all I'm going to do, and you know we're in fall, so my garden is full of leaves because of the tree that it sits under. They blow right into the garden. So you see this batch of mustard greens here? You see all down in the ground right there? Let me get you down a little further. See? Now, I don't know where my little scooper is, y'all, but God gave me 5 scoopers. 10 actually, so I'm gonna use these. So you just simply go about 2 to 3 inches away from your plant and dig down, all the way down, and then come over and lift up. That way you're not damaging any roots, okay? And then you simply want to take your time and go through and loosen up that soil. Look at all these mustard plants, y'all. Each one of these is a separate plant. You see that? Look at there. Plants. These are all plants. And I went to a store locally here, Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, and there were $4 for a container of 4 right now. So look at all of these that we got. Each one is its own individual plant. And I hope I'm getting everything, you guys. Can you guys see me right here? Yeah. See? I took that whole ball out. And look at all these plants. Yeah, take your time. Separate these plants, y'all. Look at these. Each one will grow into its own individual mustard plant. Okay? Yep. Get each one gently. Just dig down up under the root and pull up. And look at all your plants. Then you can go back and put some more back in this spot. But I know last year I grew mustard greens in a different area of my garden and they were so successful. So I'm definitely going to put some back over there. As you guys know, I've only been in this house about a year, so I'm still learning this soil. And so if you find a spot where you know it's working good, go for it. Keep using it. And I know my mustard greens work great over there. Ooh, look at all these plants that were, you know, just kind of bunched up together. They look like one plant. Nope. You see these? And you pay good money in the store for each one of these right now. Each one of these. They come in a 4-pack, sometimes a 6-pack, but you're going to spend about $4 to $5 because mustard greens are in high demand. So I'm going to grab our new plants that we just dug up. And this is also starting your seedlings, you guys. This is what they turn into. Look at all these plants. Yeah. And of course, I'm going to let you follow along with me. So we're going to get all of these. You guys know I don't do any editing. I walk you through it right from the Bermuda to the Tudor. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put you down in the ground right here. Can you see me? And all I did, I'm going to lay my plants here. I took my little garden stake and I went through and I poked holes in the ground just like this. Can you guys see me? Just like that. I went down in the soil and I made some holes. I pre-made the holes so I don't have to hold you guys up that long, okay? How about up here? Can you see me here? Now what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna take my plants and fill in the holes. Just put one there, here, just like that, you guys. And I'm gonna be doing little videos throughout the fall, you know, just so we can keep our garden healthy and strong. And I'm just dropping these. Can you guys see me? Come back some. About right there. Then I'm gonna put these in here like that. Just like so. Alright. Gonna put that there. That there. And I pre-made these holes, you guys. And let's got some more down here. And you see how we took all those plants and we transformed them into a whole nother garden. A whole nother garden, you guys. Let me just show you what I just did. You see, I just have them laying. Just have them laying in the holes. And you simply go in, take your plant, and cover it back up. Just like that. Take your plant. Cover it back up like that. And mustards are very forgiving. They take back to the soil very quickly. And you just cover them back up. Put them in the ground, cover them up, kind of prop them up if you can. Like that. Give them a head start. Like so. Like that. And see how they look? And I'm going to go through and do the same thing, even down to the little babies. I'm going to pop them down that little hole and fill it up. Pop down. And this is the area where they did super duper well last year, you guys. So that's why I'm putting more down in this same spot, because we know that we got some results over here. Okay. So I'm just gonna go through, finish all that up, and they look like that once you transplanted them. Then you hit them with a little bit of 511, which is fish emulsion fertilizer. You can go ahead and water them. And this fertilizer, if you put it on the plants, it doesn't hurt them. It just gives them some extra boost that they need to get started. And just to show you what that looks like, it's just fish fertilizer 511. Shout out to New Orleans Gardener and everyone else who uses the fish emulsion. So there you have it, you guys, how to maximize your plants. Don't just think because you have a bunch of mustard greens that, okay, that's it. Separate them, make more, let them grow, let them multiply. When they're about, you know, the size that you like to eat, snip them. Don't snip them all the way down. Snip them a little bit and they'll come right back. And I'll make a video on how to do that as well. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You're the best.